How to clean Velcro. If you have Velcro shoes, Velcro toys, or Velcro fabric with strings, yarn or hair entwined, then chances are you need to learn how to clean Velcro. It isn't very difficult, and when the Velcro is clean, it holds more securely. When you learn how to clean Velcro, your Velcro products will be just like new. Step 1. Remove all large pieces of debris from the surface of the Velcro with your hands. Sometimes large pieces of yarn or hair balls stick to the surface of the Velcro and can be removed by hand. After these pieces are removed, you can focus on the smaller pieces. Step 2. Gently comb your Velcro with the wide-toothed comb. Don't pull too hard or you could unravel the little plastic hooks that make the Velcro adhere. Gently comb the Velcro by placing the teeth of the comb into the Velcro and pulling the obstructions out. Step 3. Place the teeth of the fine-toothed comb perpendicular to the strands of Velcro and use the comb to remove finer obstructions, like strands of human hair, animal hair, or little pieces of fuzz and lint that can interfere with your Velcro fabric's ability to securely fasten. Step 4. Seal the Velcro enclosure completely and launder as usual. It's best to air-dry Velcro fabric in Velcro shoes so that the maximum adhesion can be reached. The heat of a machine dryer can cause Velcro fibers to weaken and lose effectiveness. Step 5. Check over the Velcro once more when it's dried, to ensure that it's free from hair, yarn, strings, fuzz, lint, and other obstructions.